Stockton Street Tunnel was built in 1914 as a way for the people in North Beach and Chinatown to have a near-level trolley ride to Union Square. Today it is dark, damp, a little spooky, but it's a great place for us to start our story. The Chinese Newcomers Service Center is located just half a block from the tunnel, and it will be our first focus. Its main purpose is to help Chinese immigrants learn the language, culture, and job skills to find employment in the United States, but there is so much more. The Service Center also provides information, primarily for the elderly, on how to sort through the difficult government programs and paperwork.
We have a great team here that is helping the seniors manage their health care. So there's a lot of programs that are out there that people don't know about, and so our organization is working with seniors to make sure that they can have the best health care for their situation, making sure they have the best doctors, and working with the best prescription drugs and benefits.
For the first few blocks from the tunnel, there are buildings that house organizations that are for the benefit of the people that live here. For instance, there is the Chinese Newcomers Service Center, the Chinese Consolidated Benevolent Association, and the Chinese Citizens Alliance. There is also a high school and several churches. Chinatown draws more tourists than the Golden Gate Bridge. Stockton Street is Chinatown's main shopping and business district, a place where locals go to buy the freshest produce and meats at the best prices in the city. The Chinatown Rose Pack Station is part of the Muni Metro system. It extends 100 feet below the surface and will have a public plaza on its roof. There's an old Chinese saying that people are best for the emperor, yet food is best for the people. If you go into one of these Stockton Street stores, like this one, you would find that it's like going into the Mos Eisley Cantina in the Star Wars movie. Everything you see is unfamiliar and will pique your curiosity. I mean, what do you do with a dried sea cucumber? If you're used to shopping at the mega marts, you'll appreciate the small, intimate stores that are teeming with culture. You'll see jars of dried herbs, bins of rice and beans, dried fruits, and plastic bags of things that you've never seen before. The amount and variety of the dried seafood would be more than you could explore in a month. So, let's get exploring. Since you've come with me this far, go ahead and click that subscribe button. The San Francisco Chronicle said that Stockton Street is the most interesting street in the city. Interesting, yes, but it's also crowded, noisy, messy, and sometimes a little bit dirty. But if you'd wanted something that was pristine and quiet, you'd have gone to a museum. Chinatown is the most densely populated urban area west of Manhattan, with 15,000 residents living in 20 square blocks. In 2015, only 14% of households were led by a person that was fluent in English.
咁大樽咧，你可以用幾年都得。一次咧，你係俾2滴，2滴㗎。2滴啊！2滴就人開水咗，你就咁2滴落去，佢死咗啦，好肥。開1啱水咁淋，有少少淋啊！都啱水咧，但係佢哋又淋咗成2個禮拜。哇！你真係好識種喎。佢真係喺屋企冇嘢種啊嘛。有時你使唔使有冇養到啲開花出嚟啊？ 好靚添啊！佢開咗啊！嚇！咁請問點樣稱呼啊
Kalen，
咁啊個鋪頭名係
Full Market。基本上咧，就開頭第一、第2日咧，我就放喺出邊，用常溫啲水浸，浸到第3、第4日咧。但係每一隻海參都唔同嘅，好似呢隻海參咧，一般泡發時間係5日到㗎咋。但係呢啲海參咧可以7、8日，所以咧要睇你係邊一隻海參。但係基本上個程序咧就係開頭1到第2日咧，要普通嗰啲清水浸到第3日到咧。 就可以煲下佢，煲呢隻參咧，我會煲佢啲水啲水滾咧，就即刻放落去，就即刻唔好再揭蓋啦，就係咁冚住佢過夜，過晚咧就可以剪開個肚，洗乾淨咧，留翻啲腸，保留你想食嗰啲咧，就再換水。換水呢次換水咧要放冰箱噶啦，再放多2日嘅話咧，佢發開好大條噶啦。但係呢啲嘅話咧。 我就一般咧煲個時間咧會煲15分鐘到30分鐘，咁樣然之後再都係唔好揭蓋，跟住過夜咧就換水放冰箱，約係浸2、3日到4、5日，咁就到時咧都好靚噶啦。
咁發咗之後就可以愛嚟燜啦，係嘛？燜即係冬菇嗰啲，或者我嚟煲湯。
我平時咧，如果我燜嘅話，呢2隻我用燜豬手，豬手發菜啊，或者有時燜雞啊、燜花菇啊、雞啊嗰啲咯。煲湯啊，煲乜嘢湯，我基本上會加蟲草花啊、花膠啊、海參湯啊嗰啲咯。平時可以煲雞，又可以煲豬肉嘅。煲豬肉嘅話咧就冇咁燥，係人都食得。如果煲雞嘅話咧，會帶少少醋，咁你要每個人嘅體質唔同。唔同 size 唔同質量嘅，但係咧呢幾隻基本上都冇硫磺，唔會帶酸味嘅。雪耳咧對女人好好嘅，補充嗰個骨膠原啦，清熱解毒啦。另外平時煲湯煲糖水都得。
Actor Bruce Lee was born at San Francisco Chinese Hospital.
呢個你係咪要隻10蚊一兩啊？都陽光城，你要邊隻？陽光道呢個係10蚊到，100-2蚊就10蚊。啊，我知。
I've been looking and talking about food all day, and you know, I'm hungry. So I'm gonna go here to the Great Eastern Restaurant, and I'm gonna have me some lunch with some of my friends. Come on and join me.
The string, a rock, and a tied piece of bacon around it. Put it out there and kind of wait for them to come out.
Okay, this is a sea cucumber.
What is this? That's a sea cucumber. Oh, the sea cucumbers. Very good. Oh, I'm very cute.
Now the reason I came here was because I wanted a sea cucumber. I've been seeing them in all the shops, and now is my chance to try one. So this is the sea cucumber.
They all came in.
It's a little big to have in one bite. But there you go. You probably think it's a different taste, but I suggest you give it a try. Go ahead and click the subscribe button. You know you want to. And while you're at it, click the like button.